a historic peace deal. And 2 decades of violent conflict claiming 80,000 lives is officially over.
The signature of the peace agreement between the President of Eritrea and the Prime Minister of Ethiopia is indeed an historic event.
The peace deal between Ethiopia and Eritrea was the second major step in peace talks between the once warring neighbors. This Sunday, the two leaders signed the deal, brokered by Saudi Arabia.
The leaders of Ethiopia and the leaders of Eritrea have managed to overcome the conflict and reach this historic solution, which we hope will contribute to the security and stability of the Red Sea region and will open the way for more cooperation, trade, and investment, which will serve all the inhabitants of this sensitive region of the world.
Eritrea was part of Ethiopia until 1993 when it declared independence. 5 years later, a full-blown war broke out, killing thousands. Since 2000, fighting has decreased, but troops have continued to face off near the border. Now, the conflict between the two neighbors is officially over. Authorities did not reveal exact details of the new deal, but it's built on a declaration of friendship and hopes for tighter economic ties. The peace deal came to fruition after Saudi Arabia took the role of mediator. Eritrea is strategically located by the Bab el-Mandeb Strait, which connects the Red Sea to the Gulf of Aden, a key passage for oil tankers and other cargo vessels. This peace deal is also another building block in Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman's efforts to increase Saudi influence politically, logistically, and strategically in the region. Earlier this month, the two countries reopened crossing points on their shared border for the first time in 20 years, offering hope for not only peace, but possibly prosperity too. Bianca Zanini, I-24 News.